searching, and we are finding people who would show gratitude, and we just met him and he agreed to be in our show. So what's your name?
My name is Numshin Ray.
Numshin Ray. What do you do?
I work for the state government.
State government
as a office assistant.
Okay, office assistant. So thank you so much, first of all, because a lot of people, when we were asking, they ran away when we said that, can you nominate somebody for gratitude. So can you nominate someone in your personal space whom you want to show your gratitude?
Well, I would like to talk about my dog.
Okay.
Okay. I'm a dog lover.
Yeah.
Since I was a kid.
Okay.
But unfortunately, I could not raise a good breed just because of financial problem. But I'm really into dog.
Okay.
And now I got this Cooper.
Okay, let's include Cooper in the shot.
Say hi, Cooper. Cooper.
Cooper, say hi. So how did you get Cooper?
I bought it from my granny's place.
Okay.
So I find it very cute. When he was a puppy, I find it so adorable. So I thought of
so now
buying
you're
it.
happy, like your childhood dream has. So this is your first dog?
No, it's not.
Own?
I have several dogs which I have reared before.
Okay.
But I rear one, a golden retriever. Unfortunately, she died after 4 or 5 months.
Okay.
So it really touches my heart since then.
Okay.
So.
Okay. No, that's very nice. I'm a dog lover too. So since you spoke about dog, I just wanted to know your opinion. In some places, I have seen that they would steal somebody's pet and they would eat it. And my dog, Ruby actually had an accident on the road, and we couldn't even find the body because somebody took it and ate it. And I know about one of my friends who actually buried their dog, and people dug it and ate it. So what is your comment and thoughts about things happening like this in our state?
Well, that's I would say that's very disgusting.
Have you heard about incident like this, about dog missing and people eating? People have taken that dog for eating.
Yeah, I do. I've heard.
Yes.
But I have never, like you just told me, that it was buried and then dug out again and had it.
Yes.
That I have never heard of it.
Because I came to know that my mother was looking for our dog everywhere. We heard that one truck hit the dog. We were looking for the body, and our dog was very, very old also. But we couldn't find the body. But when we later on asked people, we came to know that they took it and ate it.
Yeah, I'm sorry to hear about that, but I find it very, heartless.
So I just wanted to take that opportunity, since you are a dog lover, to bring it up and stand for a dog in Manipur.
Sure.
Yes.
We'll do that.
So I know that you will not be able to write a letter to Cooper, but this card is for Cooper from your side to show your gratitude. So I'm giving this to you.
Thank you very much.
Then at the level of Manipur, can you nominate someone, someone who has done good for the state? Anybody, it could be from any segment.
Well, yeah, I would say like inspiring sports person.
Sports person.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyone specific?
Could be Rennedy Singh.
Okay, Rennedy Singh.
And
all right.
Mary Com.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Those are one of the inspiring person in Manipur.
Okay, good. Thank you so much for sharing that. Is there any other message you want to give to the people of Manipur through our channel?
One thing I would like to say that let us live, as one. No discrimination.
No discrimination.
About the caste,
right.
Religion, culture.
Yes.
So that's all I want to say.
Cool. Let's shake on that. That's cool. That's a cool one. And can you remind me again which place you are from?
I'm from Chingmeirong.
Chingmeirong?
Kabui Village.
Kabui Village. So I'm so happy to meet somebody from Kabui Village. I have never come there, but I hope I'll come over there one day.
Sure.
So this is a special card for you for participating in our show. And please do check our website. We are in Facebook, and this is both the things are painted by me. just
Nice.
so that I want to spread more positivity, like you said, right? No caste, no creed. Let's be together and let's uplift ourselves. So thank you. Okay.